Hi friends, Organic Worm Casting wanted to come on and wish every one of you in the YouTube community a wonderful Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May everything that you've wanted and prayed for and wished on come true. Well, I just wanted to give you an update on my worm bin, so let's tell you what's going on. I apologize not getting back earlier, but it did take the worms about two and a half days to finish up that pineapple. I went ahead and fed them a couple of more times. This last feeding I gave them some grapes, and they still have some of that in there. But I have some lettuce and beets here. I'm going to set up and give it to them over here on this side. Some nice beets that we didn't get to. And some lettuce. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put some new bedding over it. And I think the worms are over here on this side. So they'll have to work their way to this other side for the beets and the vegetables. And that's what's happening over here on my end of the world. Hope you all have a beautiful day. God bless you. And remember, black gold is the way to go. Until the next time, bye for now.